everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm Halima, and today I'll be solving Primary Mathematics Book 4. So let's get started. Okay, let's try solving some problematic sums and make them a little easy. Let's read the question together. A laptop costs $1,099 and a tablet costs $499. What is the total cost of 4 such laptops and 6 tablets? You must understand the keywords of the question. I'll repeat again. The cost of laptop is $1,099. The cost of tablet is $499. What is the total cost of 4 such laptops and 6 tablets? Read the question thoroughly, understand it well, only then you can solve it. Solving is not the issue, understanding is the key, right? All right, please be with me. Let's solve it together. We're going to start off with the data. The cost of laptop is $1,099. This information is already provided in the question. So if you see in the question, they've asked us the cost of 4 such laptops. We know the cost of one laptop is $1,099. What will be the cost of 4 such laptops? It will be $1,099 multiplied by 4, right? So our answer will be 4,396. Now this we found the total cost of laptops. Now we're going to find the total cost of tablets. We're going to do it in the same way. We have the cost of one tablet, which is $499. What we have to do is we have to find the cost of 6 such tablets. So the cost of 6 such tablets will be $499 multiplied by 6. You know why I did this? Because the cost of one tablet is $499. If you multiply $499 by 6, you'll get the cost of 6 tablets, right? So when we multiplied, we got 2,994. This is the cost of total tablets. Up to now, we were finding the cost of 4 laptops and 6 tablets. Now the question says, what is the total cost of 4 such laptops and 6 tablets, right? We know the total cost of 4 laptops and we know the total cost of 6 tablets. What we're going to do is we're going to add them together. Simple. What we're going to do is we're going to write the total cost of laptop and tablet is, let's do rough working here. Starting from the ones place, 6 plus 4 is 10, 9 plus 9 is 18, plus 1 is 19, carry 1 and 9 down. 3 plus 9 is 12, plus carry 1 is 13, 4 plus 2 is 6, plus carry 1, 7. So our total cost of laptop and tablet is 7,390, right? Okay. I repeat, my dear, solving is not an issue. Understanding is the key. Let's understand the question. It says a bakery sold a total of 3,028 coffee buns and blueberry buns. Then again, the question says that the bakery sold 1,560 more coffee buns than blueberry buns. And he's asking, how many coffee buns did he sell altogether? I hope you've understood the key points of the question. Let's start solving it together. Look, the total number of buns he sold was 3,028. Remember, buns here means half of coffee buns and half of blueberry buns. Remember again, we still don't have an idea about the exact amount of coffee buns and blueberry buns. We're just assuming that 3,028 is the half of coffee buns and blueberry buns. Then again, he sold 1,560 more buns. How many coffee buns did he sell? We have no idea the exact amount of how many coffee and how many blueberry buns we have. What we're going to do is we're going to add them so that we get to know the total number of buns first. And then we will find how many coffee buns he sold, right? Let's do it together. Let's solve in the ones place first. 8 plus 0 is 8. 2 plus 6 is 8. 0 plus 5 is 5. And 3 plus 1 is 4. So here we have 4,588. So now we have the total number of buns sold, right? Remember, half of this is coffee buns and half is blueberry buns. Now in the next step, if I divide them into 2, we'll get the coffee buns. This is exactly what the question is asking you. So look here, how many coffee buns did the bakery sell? Remember I told you 4,588 is the total number of buns sold, which includes coffee as well as blueberry. If we divide it by 2, we'll get the number of coffee buns. Let's start solving. Okay, let's divide it together. 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract it. 4 minus 4 is 0. Bring down 5. 2 times 2 is 4 again. Subtract again. 5 minus 4 is 1. Bring down 8 now. 2 times 9 is 18. Subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 1 is 0. Right? Bring down 8. 2 times 4 is 8. Subtract. There is no remainder. So 2,294 is our answer. So you can write your final statement as the bakery sold 2,294 coffee buns. That's it. I hope it's clear up till now. Okay, let's solve another question. The question says that a shopkeeper had 1,246 sacks of rice. Each sack contained 8 kg of rice. See, he sold 7,872 kgs of rice. How many sacks of rice did he have left? Have a look at the data now. There were 1,246 sacks of rice. Each sack had 8 kg of rice. First, we'll find the total weight of rice. Okay? 1,246 multiplied by 8. Let's solve it down here, right? 8 6 are 48. 8 4s are 32. Plus 4 is 36. 8 2s are 16. And plus 3 is 19. 8 1s are 8. And plus carry 1 makes it 9. So 9,968 is the total weight of rice. And the shopkeeper sold 7,872 kgs of rice. Let's subtract them both to see how many sacks of rice were left. So when we subtract 9,968 and 7,872, we get 2,096. Here we found the total weight of rice left, right? In the last step, the question says, how many sacks of rice did he have left? Now remember, each sack contained how many kgs of rice? 8 kgs of rice. That's right. So 2,096, we're going to divide it with 8 and we get the remaining sacks of rice, which is 262. Let's solve another question. It says Mr. Wong saved $350 each month for 26 months. Remember to multiply them both, okay? He then spent $4,000. The remaining amount of money was shared equally among his 5 daughters. How many did each daughter receive? Let's have a look. Let's start solving. Remember, firstly, we're going to see how much did he save in total, right? When you multiply 350 by 26, your answer is $9,100. If you've seen my quick multiplication tricks, you'll know how to multiply quickly and mentally. All right? Moving on to our next step, which says that he spent $4,000, right? So the remaining money, now see, the total money that he saved was 9,100. The amount that he spent was 4,000. What we get is 5,100. All right. Now coming up to the last step, it says the remaining amount was equally shared by his 5 daughters. Wow, what are we going to do is, so now we have to find how much did each daughter receive. Remember, the remaining amount was 5,100, which was shared equally amongst 5 daughters, right? So if we divide them both, each daughter will get, let's do the rough working and see how much will each daughter receive. So 5 times 1 is 5, bring down 1, 5 times 0 is 0, 1, bring down 0, 5 times 2 is 10, bring down 0, 5 times 0 is 0. Okay, so 1,020 is our answer. So each daughter receives $1,020. Let's move on to our last and challenging question. So Bala had 240 cards and Tom had 780 cards. After Tom gave some cards to Bala, Bala had twice as many cards as Tom. How many cards did Tom give to Bala? We know that Bala had 240 cards and Tom had 780 cards. Let's find the total number of cards, right? So to find the total number of cards, we have to add Bala and Tom's cards. So we've got 1,020 cards altogether. Now let's read the question once again. After Tom gave some cards to Bala, Bala had twice as many cards as Tom. Let's assume Tom had one card and Bala had two cards, right? So altogether, it makes up to 3. Let's divide 1020 by 3. So we'll get the number of cards one of them has, right? Now look, after we divide by 3, we got 340 cards. It says Bala had twice as many cards. So what we're going to do is we're going to multiply. So Bala will have 680 cards and Tom will have 340 cards, right? That's it for today. I hope you've understood the session. Thank you. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.